we need to take, we should say, some measures to reduce the adverse effect that may be coming. So on this, I want to mention a few that we would like we have agreed on and we want to institute as from today. And the first one, of course, is to be clear that we will take all measures to continue the services, continuity of services. And this, for instance, relates to the various protocols, emergency protocols that the various institutions have. And secondly, even very simple things about the way we are handling cash. We can assure you that just to make sure, in an abundance of caution, to make sure that we don't have the virus being transmitted via cash, all cash that will be coming out of banks will be quarantined for at least 1 week. So that is more than enough time for the virus to become inactive. So we are quite clear about that. One of the things we have agreed on is that the banks will seek to provide relief to borrowers on their personal loans based on their individual circumstances arising from the pandemic. As you can imagine, about 28% of our loans are actually personal loans. And a lot of our people have borrowed as personal loans and they're using it for something. And also, you have those instances where they will probably lose their job or they'll be put on furlough or something like that. So in a sense, they may not have the cash flow to support a loan that they were actually servicing before. So all loans that were current on March 2nd will be eligible. All personal loans that were current on March 2nd will be eligible to this consideration.
And we are focused on dealing with it as a health crisis. But realistically, and unfortunately, it is a health crisis that is bound to have financial and economic impact, and not to the positive, but rather to the negative. And as such, we need to pull together as Kenyans and to see how we shall overcome not just the health crisis, but the associated issues that are most likely to develop. You all know our tourism industry is going to take a hit. You all know our restaurant businesses, our small traders who depend on imported goods, which are now delayed because of slowdown in manufacturing in various parts of the world. And all of these individuals depend on you in one way or another. So your understanding to the plight that they are going through is something that I truly appreciate.